Okay, welcome back. So we're going to start on to the next phase of disassembly of the 160 mile per hour unit. And as a recap, this is the used 160 mile an hour speedometer that functions properly as a 160. I need to take some parts off of it to put onto the 260 kilometer unit, and one of those happens to be the drive mechanism that goes to the odometer section. It looks to me like the first thing I got to do is take this little clip off here that will allow the gear to come out. It looks like I should be able to just pry this little clip off and slide it out. Just has a little catch there. Okay, and now it's starting to move. Great. There are pliers to grab it so that I can okay. Little tiny spring clip. Okay, now that should mean that this piece can come off. Yep, looks like it's going to just come right off. Okay. Ooh, okay. That's a perfect example of why I want to be able to do this on the used part first. As you can see, there's a little spring there that is attached, or had been attached, to the end of this little device. So most likely it was going through this hole here, through this hole. Can we see it? You know, autofocus is good when it works, but when it doesn't, there we go. So this piece here, little tiny bump on the end there, this is what goes up and moves the gear. So the question of where was that spring attached to? Well, I'll have to figure that out. I see there's a spring over here for the other side. I wonder, just out of curiosity, what it looks like on the other side. The trip odometer side, there should be a corresponding spring. It's a little different mechanism over on this side here. As you can see, there is a spring, but it's different. Okay, so I'm going to have to figure out where that other spring went. There's only a few places that it can go, so I will figure that out. Then I'll know where to be careful when I start working and putting it back in on the other side there.